Yeah, Gaza Nation. We see the big interview from the warlord Bounty Killer. You see what I say? Yeah. And we see the man ask Killer, what go on with the little guy when named Tony Matharon. And Killer say right now, I don't know what go on with him, you know. But I may give him all the necessary equipment for attack the world musically. You see what I say? I give him all the tools where he need for dominate. I don't know what happened to him. But it look like them love the look of lip up and trace up thing. You see what I say? So right about now, the man stop and ask the general about Bounty Kill, about the vybz kartel. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And the man I make him know how him know vybz kartel and who introduced vybz kartel to him and why vybz kartel learn the vocal them and them shit there, the rest are history. You see what I say? Right now at the world it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. The thing get away right about now. Vybz Card, Bounty Killer, I make the man know say right now him gay Tony Matharon all of the necessary equipment. Is what I say for run the place like how you say DJ Khaled run it. But instead, him take all the necessary equipment and run the place. Him just want beat up him mouth on social media. And that and not gimmicks business, a real thing the man attack. Cause to the amount of fans we Tony Matharon have and the girl them always there on him side, me no know how him no bigger than that. In a rascal music, me not talk about just dancehall, me not talk about music both locally and internationally. The man they should have them own record label where I bust out artists and I go on wicked and I get a whole heap of collaboration with a whole heap of overseas artists to the connection and the linking with the man they haven't too long. The man they run music selecting overseas. No gimmicks business not about it, Gaza Nation. And another chatting thing. The history not there for sure, yeah, man. When Killer blast out and tear down the whole place, man. It was them man there, you know. Who they behind the Killer, you know, Tony mentally ill, you know, worse sound clash business, you know. I saw him name boss big time, you know. So if you see, he want to go out like say when time him say, Killer, I get some success in the street right now. And them not to sparks like that. And them are go carry certain type of feelings. That not right now dancehall. Because Killer couldn't stop uno to the uno name blow up big. That uno could be a big part of music, meaning like have uno own record label and a bus artist because uno have what it takes. Cause that uno do anywhere by just playing sound system. A night time, no gimmicks business, not the inner it. So no kind of so the disrespect what we soon go on with when everybody knows say a Killer go no the start and them shit there. And for see what now go on with on social media big lollipop thing. Anyway, the man asked the man about the general vybz kartel. And killer make him know. Say Rowan Butler bring cassette of the general come game. And him listen it. And when him listen it, him say a girl clown stand out to him. Oh, you for turn girl clown when not do that. You see what I say? Him say that stand out to him. You see what I say? Yeah. And then the man bring vybz Kartel come meet him. You see me? And the man say from vybz Kartel learn the vocal them. The rest are history. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. You see what I say? And the man asked the man if there anywhere where vybz Kartel can forward come a road and wanna hear what killer say, you know. Killer say right now, you know, impersonally, you know, can't say the man guilty or the man don't guilty, you know. But where them lock up the man for, you know, that shaky, you know, because the one evidence where them claim them have, you know, are the phone and the tamper with, you know, and them now have a dead body, you know, and go as far as tell the man, you know, say the system itself, you know, half a vybz Kartel, you know. You see what I say? And them they don't have to make an example out of him, you know. You see what I deal with? But them go by it the wrong way, you know, because them not have no up on the man, you know. You see what I say? I force, you know, and do what them do, you know, to the general, you know. You see what I say? Because the general have too much angles pan dancehall and too much influence pan the people them with them now. You see what I say? And that the general bounty killer say, and that everybody know. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, Gaza Nation. Everybody don't know that. Say them say because the influence where the general have, and that's why them bring that shit. But the man said the only court can free the man right now at the higher court, the Privy Council, because everything in a Jamaica against the man. So the world boss it don't come out and make people know that already, sir. Right now them for me case do what them do. Because right now a Privy Council him thing there. You know what I mean? Him will get freedom there, sir. And then a gimmicks thing. No wonder why. You see, them that try to hold up the phone, them no want it be tested, and them want to go on with beer fuckery in the case and them shit there. Because the whole of them know. You see what I say? What them do a lollipop thing. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. What them do, all the amen and people are chatting on them shit there, and them shit there. Them not have no reason for hate the brother. Most of them are just follow them and follow. Just because everything we have to do with them fellas here, we claim say them around the country. You see what I say? And them are the big voice. And if you not listen to them, what will happen? You see all of them fellas there, forget for them things. Forget for them things. For make it look like a show. All them do are use the media. And the same media them use and put out, say, them have evidence and video all of the murder. You see what I say? Remember, you know, the same media them use and put out all of that, you know. And when it boil along, you know, to nitty gritty, you know, them now have video. The video where them have can't be sure. It couldn't even work in the court because you can't see nobody on it. The only thing them have is a voice note where them rig my roll. But them blow up those shit so big in the media, and the media blow up that it make normal citizens feel like say the man guilty. Just because them not hear no news from the man's side. Or just the media around them mouth. And them do that all those years, you know, until them prosecute the brother, you know, my brother. No joke shit not that in it, you know. I sucker make it look like what them a do real or true, you know. Cause what them do a big fool thing, you know. That not supposed to happen, you know. There ain't no way, you know, you can tamper with that evidence, you know, my brother, and carry that going to court, you know. Furthermore, it's not supposed to be in a case, you know, the prosecutor not supposed to even make that. They're supposed to even, you know, kill up themselves about that, you know. Because tamper evidence, you know. No joke shit not dead about it, Gaza Nation. That's what I say. Yeah. But we love the vibes. I'm just want to say big respect to the killer. Because una see say the killer have international ratings and international respect. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. And if you listen to the brother who interview the man, you see that. You see what I say? The amount of respect what the man say him have for the general, to the general deal with hip hop and dancehall music. So the gimmicks business, no dead about it. Big up yourself, Bounty Killer. And big up the general vibes cartel, said speed, no gimmicks thing in it. You don't know a Gaza where they ain't no other way. Watch it now, man. Watch it now, man. A 10-star. The general, the people's champion. Anyway, big up Blue, aka Mad Dog. I'm running out the general over there. And the general, I know him one of the biggest subscribers. I'm not really too comment, but him watch every video. So anyway, you there, Blue, big up yourself. You hear that? A 10-star way. There ain't no other way but Gaza way. What? 10-star. I said, Blue, big respect. Watch.